In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon MF3010 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. I have provided there a link. All you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, please bring up your Google Chrome browser and here at the search bar, paste the link that you have copied and click on the enter key and you would be navigated to this page where you can see the Canon printer driver. So you can see here MF3010, the printer driver that we would like to install it here in the Windows. Just go with this compatible operating system and it will automatically detect your operating system, which is Windows 11. If not, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 10, 11 or rather, sorry. So here at the language, click on this dot arrow key and search for the language that you would like to go with or that you prefer. And once you click on it, click on search here and eventually you would be able to see a result. So please proceed to the second, which is image class MF30 MF drivers UFR2 or scan gear. Click on this link and eventually you would be navigated to the downloading process of this one. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. And once done, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon and click on it and eventually it will show you the driver. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it has been placed or saved to. So from here, please make a right click and click on this cut icon. The moment you do it, close the windows that are being opened and you're at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so once you have successfully moved the printer driver here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with this one and click for extract to. So the moment you click on it, wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. And once it's here, we need to proceed to the installation. Okay, so by that, we need to move here at the start, make a right click, and then you need to go with settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So let me just close this one and click on yes. Okay. So here at the settings, okay, you need to navigate to the left side of that and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Please click on this one. And from that, you need to proceed here under the printers and scanners. Please click on it. And there you can see an option called add device. Click on this one and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add the printer driver. Once it's here, please click on it. And in a few seconds, you will be able to open this add printer window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on next here and go with hub disk and click on browse. And since the archived file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate here, scroll down on the list and proceed to your extracted file. Double tap here and proceed to this file folder name drivers. Double tap. Go with this yuki underscore eng and select x64 since Windows 11 has x64-bit PC. Then we need to navigate here to driver. Click on this one and choose any of this. Okay, click on open and you need to click on OK here. Once set, you will be able to place that one here. Click on next. Okay. And then click on next again and wait until the installation process would be finished. Okay, so once done, if you would like to allow for printer sharing, you can turn that on, or you can simply click on this do not share this printer if you don't want to share this printer. So please click on next and click on next. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Canon MF3010 printer driver in your Windows 11. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.